only 4 companies in the world,
Apple, Amazon,
Google, and
Nvidia was part of.
Nvidia was able to call itself a $1 trillion.
Major indices all hitting new record highs this.
In big business news, Nvidia has climbed the ranks to become one of the most valuable companies worldwide. Recently, it surpassed Alphabet, Google's parent company, in value. This achievement comes shortly after Nvidia overtook Amazon. Now, Nvidia sits as the 3rd most valuable company in the US and the 4th globally. On February 14th, Nvidia's stock price rose by over 2%, closing at a remarkable $739 per share. This increase pushed Nvidia's market value to $1.83 trillion, edging past Google's market cap of $1.82 trillion. It's a significant milestone for Nvidia and shows its growing importance in the business world. Have you ever wondered how a company that makes computer chips became one of the most valuable in America? In this video, we'll dive into the story of Nvidia, the company behind those powerful GPUs, and how it rose to glory, now sitting as the 3rd most valuable company in the United States. Let's get started. Chapter 1. Nvidia's Founding and Early Vision. Nvidia was created on April 5, 1993, by 3 people: Jensen Huang, Chris Malachowski, and Curtis Preem. They met at a Denny's diner in East San Jose, California, to discuss starting a company. At the time, Jensen Huang was an electrical engineer, Chris Malachowski worked at Sun Microsystems, and Curtis Preem was an engineer at IBM and Sun Microsystems. These 3 men believed that the future of computing would involve graphics-based processing. They thought this approach could solve complex problems better than traditional methods. They also noticed that video games were both challenging and popular, which made them a great market to focus on. With only $40,000, they started Nvidia. To incorporate the company, they needed a name. They chose Nvidia by combining the words next version and Nvidia, which is Latin for envy. This reflected their ambition to create cutting-edge technology that others would envy. Nvidia's first office was in Sunnyvale, California. Initially, the company had no name, so all their files were labeled NV for next version. The company quickly received $20 million in funding from investors like Sequoia Capital. Nvidia's founders believed that focusing on graphics processing and the gaming market would lead them to success. This vision laid the foundation for Nvidia's growth into one of the most valuable companies in America. Chapter 2. Nvidia's early struggles and success with the Reva 128. In the mid-1990s, Nvidia faced challenges with its first graphics accelerator, the NV1, which was designed for quadratic primitives, unlike its competitors' preference for triangle primitives. In 1996, Nvidia's CEO, Jensen Huang, made a tough decision to lay off more than half of the company's employees and refocus on developing a graphics accelerator optimized for processing triangle primitives. This led to the creation of the Reva 128. By the time the Reva 128 was released in August 1997, Nvidia had only about 40 employees and enough money for just 1 more month of payroll. The company's unofficial motto at the time was, "Our company is 30 days from going out of business." Despite these challenges, Nvidia managed to sell about 1 million Reva 128s in just 4 months, generating enough revenue to develop its next generation of products. The release of the Reva TNT in 1998 solidified Nvidia's reputation for producing high-quality graphics adapters, marking a turning point in the company's early history. Chapter 3. Nvidia's journey as a public company and expansion into gaming consoles. Nvidia went public in 1999 and quickly made waves with its GeForce 256, the first GPU marketed to consumers. This innovation, featuring onboard transformation and lighting, sets a new standard in 3D hardware performance. Their success led to a deal with Microsoft to develop graphics for the Xbox, earning Nvidia $200 million. However, this project pulled many key engineers away, yet the company still managed to release the GeForce 2 GTS in 2000. Nvidia expanded through strategic acquisitions like Xluna, MediaQ, and iReady. These moves enhanced its product lineup and capabilities. A pivotal moment came in 2004 when Nvidia partnered with Sony to develop the graphics processor for the PlayStation 3, solidifying its presence in the gaming industry. Chapter 4: Nvidia's growth and innovations from 2007 to 2018. In 2007, Forbes named Nvidia its Company of the Year, recognizing its accomplishments over the previous 5 years. The company completed the acquisition of Portal Player, Inc. and acquired Agea, integrating PhysX technology into its GPUs. In 2011, Nvidia unveiled the Tegra 4 and the Nvidia Shield, an Android-based handheld game console. The company also acquired PGI from STMicroelectronics. In 2018, Nvidia released the Titan V and the Nvidia Quadro GV100 GPUs, as well as the RTX 2080 GPUs. The company also faced challenges with Apple regarding the release of WebDrivers for its GPUs installed on legacy Mac Pro machines running macOS Mojave. Chapter 5. Nvidia's recent milestones and innovations. In recent years, Nvidia has achieved several significant milestones and innovations. In 2019, Nvidia announced the acquisition of Mellanox Technologies for $6.9 billion, expanding its presence in the high-performance computing market. The company also introduced new RTX Studio laptops, offering high performance for creators. In 2023, Nvidia celebrated its founding at the Denny's in East San Jose, where it was founded, as it passed the $1 trillion mark. The company continued its innovative streak, partnering with Getty Images to launch Generative AI, a tool for creating images using Getty's photo library. In 2024, Nvidia continued to make headlines and innovations. The company became the third company in the history of the United States to achieve a market capitalization in excess of $2 trillion, a milestone reached on March 1, 2024. Nvidia's market capitalization peaked at $2.38 trillion on March 8, 2024, positioning it as a major player in the tech industry. Nvidia also made waves in the AI chip market with the release of its new AI chip Blackwell on March 18, 2024. Named after David Blackwell, this chip represents Nvidia's commitment to advancing AI technology. Additionally, Nvidia was recognized as a hot employer in Silicon Valley in February 2024, offering interesting work and good pay at a time when other tech employers were downsizing. The company's success is reflected in its employees' earnings, with half of Nvidia employees earning over $228,000 in 2023. Nvidia's achievements in 2024 further solidify its position as a powerhouse in the tech industry, driving innovation and shaping the future of computing. Thanks for watching From GPUs to Glory: How Nvidia Became America's Third Most Valuable Company. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, and subscribe for more content on wealthiest and business stories. Stay tuned for our next video.